Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how Microsoft may be set to use Quant. So in a fairly recent announcement made by the Oracle team, Oracle detailed as to how cloud software offering Microsoft Azure is set to integrate and collaborate with Oracle, where this direct collaboration will see Oracle and Microsoft enhancing interoperability between their cloud software platforms, where the new service will see the connectivity of Oracle's database service directly to Microsoft Azure's cloud infrastructure. And this will bring about a number of benefits for both parties involved in this initiative, where the active incorporation and implementation of interoperability frameworks between Oracle and Microsoft will see the ability for new applications on Azure or Oracle being able to connect and be sent between either cloud offering at a given time. So this factor could be quite significant and bullish for Quant, as Quant's overledger ODAP offering is the universal interoperability framework used by the Oracle blockchain platform. So with news detailing how Oracle and Microsoft are set to collaborate and improve interoperability frameworks between their cloud software offerings, this could see the direct implementation and utility of Quant's offerings, most notably overledger, to enable such measures to occur. However, it's not directly clear whether overledger will be directly incorporated into this development. But again, overledger is the universal interoperability framework used by Oracle, especially between blockchain offerings offered by the Oracle platform. So it would make abundant sense to use overledger's ODAP offering, most notably due to the innate qualities and benefits overledger provides, where overledger provides a capacity to enable interoperability between DLTs and even between legacy software applications. So this could mean that even if the datasets transported between Oracle and Microsoft aren't actively using a DLT, overledger could be the underpinning infrastructure which enables the sending of information between these software applications. But again, it's not entirely clear whether overledger will be incorporated into this initiative. But regardless of this development, Oracle already harnesses the benefits surrounding Quant's innovations, most notably overledger. So the main reasons as to why Oracle may have harnessed the benefits surrounding Quant's innovations, most notably overledger, is due to a number of financial bodies and institutions around the world detailing how financial leaders should harness the benefits surrounding DLT if they wish to gain a competitive advantage, where an article published by the financial institution Deloitte detailed as to how 77% of financial leaders are worried that they will miss out on the opportunity for competitive advantage if they don't adopt blockchain. So due to the perceived benefits DLT could provide across a number of industries around the world, Oracle has turned to DLT and an extension blockchain to improve their overall frameworks, where Oracle has worked in conjunction with a number of blockchain offerings, including Hyperledger, which is an IBM blockchain infrastructure. So the need for cross-chain compatibility between varying DLTs, in this example Oracle's blockchain and IBM's Hyperledger blockchain fabric, can be facilitated and enabled through the benefits surrounding Quant's overledger, where despite the benefits DLT brings, DLT also has a few limitations, especially surrounding a lack of interoperability, where information native to a given blockchain or DLT is limited in their ability to be exchanged to other DLTs at a given time. However, overledger overcomes this limitation through the usage of just 3 lines of code. So this will improve the ability for information on varying DLTs or even legacy systems to be exchanged between each other more seamlessly and actively. So as well as Oracle's direct collaboration with Hyperledger, Oracle also has direct affiliations with other DLT networks on the marketplace, most notably the Ethereum network, Ripple, Bitcoin, and R3 Corda. So this is a diagrammatic indication of how Oracle harnesses the benefits surrounding overledger to improve the capability of information stored on varying blockchains to be exchanged between and to Oracle's blockchain at a given time. So the utility of overledger in this sense could be quite significant for the overarching Quant network and for QNT token holders, as the active ability for varying datasets on these varying blockchains to be transported and exchanged through the mechanism surrounding overledger's interoperability framework will be facilitated and enabled through the benefits and utility of QNT, where when information is transported through overledger, such actions will be verified through QNT. And this is coupled with the likes of Oracle and other users who harness the benefits surrounding Quant's innovations have to purchase QNT in the form of licensing fees. So this sees QNT being used as a dual means of utility in mechanisms surrounding the usage of Quant's innovations, in this example, overledger. So despite it not being clear whether Microsoft will directly harness the benefits surrounding Quant's overledger, the Quant team have actually detailed as to how their innovations could be directly compared to Microsoft, where in a talk featuring the CEO of Quant, Gilbert Verdian detailed to the benefits Quant provides in terms of its map frameworks, where the rolling out of maps sees the utility of the benefits surrounding a number of DLTs at a given time, and these benefits can be incorporated into a single dApp or a multi-chain app.
Not distributed applications, multi-chain applications. So if you think about it a bit more, we're kind of like what Microsoft did. If Microsoft in the 90s made Windows to be internet-based and put Windows OS on top of the internet to create internet apps, that's what we're doing today. So we've got our operating system on top of existing blockchains and future blockchains to create internet-based multi-chain apps where you can actually benefit from the different types of blockchain. So the challenge is with a dApp, it's dApp 1 sits on blockchain A and it does everything on blockchain A. dApp 2 sits on blockchain 2 and does everything on blockchain 2. So you can't allow these applications to transfer data and transfer value very easily. It's a problem, and that's what we're solving. So with multi-chain apps, you can actually split your app up and you can say, well, I want my app to use a bit of Ripple for authentication. I want it to use a bit of Bitcoin for, let's just say, storage of data. And I want it to use Hyperledger because of scalability for resilience. You can actually have that choice with multi-chain applications.
So with the wide-scale offerings provided by Quant in terms of its multi-chain applications, its overledger ODAP offering, and even its stablecoin developments, Quant is one of few projects which offer real-world use cases, and a number of organizations, including the likes of Oracle, already harness the benefits surrounding Quant's innovations. What are your thoughts on Quant? Do you think Quant is the most exciting project on the marketplace? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching, Crypto Clan. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.